Hey, Buddy and Business family. My name is Isabella. I am the owner of two six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 free ways to market your online business. You guys already know on my channel, it's 100% free education only, and people charge thousands of dollars for the information I give 100% for free. All I ask in exchange is that you hit that subscribe button and like this video for the YouTube algorithm so I can continue to make videos just like this one. Here's what you're going to learn in this video. So you guys know my style is you never have to buy ads. I'm going to show you guys how to master vertical video content while using social media in order to build a community around your online business. When I first started, I did not know how to create content. I am self-taught. I never bought a course. I really just watched YouTube videos and just tried and failed. And now I'm here to show you guys what I personally did that helped me so you guys can also succeed. And I started with 0 followers just like everybody else. So there's 5 main ways of marketing your online store through social media: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. I'm going to be explaining today how you can use each one of these social media platforms as a tool to market your online business. In order to master short form video content creation, you have to take into consideration these things. I always edit my videos down to around 10 to 15 seconds. I always put on-screen captions. I always make sure that they're fast-paced, that I have steady angles and good lighting. And the goal with these short videos is to always direct the viewers to the next step. Here's a picture of myself just using my iPhone taking product videos, and I always use my iPhone for product videos. So TikTok by far is the #1 platform to promote your small business on. There's so many different small businesses on TikTok utilizing TikTok to promote their small business. Think of TikTok as being your connection, sharing your business videos with people all around the world. So here is a bunch of different content ideas that I put together for you guys if you're not sure what to create content about. You can do the behind the scenes of your business, show how your product works, what it does, and how to style it, like if it's clothing, for example. Share funny customer stories, even if you have to make them up. Another video idea is 5 ways to use our product. If you make your own product, show how you make it and show how you package your orders. You can even do videos unpacking your orders, kind of pretending to be the customer. And you can always do videos with the story behind your product and why you're selling the product that you're selling. So I like to show you guys examples in all of my videos. So here's a few examples of businesses on TikTok that are doing really well. I came across this page the other day, and there's no way to really tell if they are dropshipping or not, but it just gave me the vibe that this could be a dropshipping store. And if you guys go down right here, their first video was posted 4 days ago. I just want to show you guys how fast you can create an audience on TikTok. They already have over 15,000 followers, just started posting 4 days ago, and they already have videos that have accumulated almost 7 million views. Like this one almost has 7 million views, and this is actually the video that is how I found them on my For You page. It popped right up. And if you guys can see, they are promoting it really well too. Like they're replying to their comments. A lot of people are asking in the comment section, where can I buy? So you can see that they're definitely getting sales. And then they added the link to their bio. So this is just a great representation that you can build an audience straight overnight. So whether they're dropshipping or not, this just reminded me of something that looked to me like a dropshipping store, but there's no way to really tell, honestly. Another great way to market your online store is through using TikTok live streams. I've actually been doing this recently, and I've been getting so many more sales just by packaging my orders on live stream. The only thing about this is you do have to have 1,000 TikTok followers to actually start going live, but I promise you, you can gain those super quick. I have literally gained over 40,000 followers overnight before. All you need is that one viral video to take you from no audience to having an audience practically overnight. Here's some examples of live streams that I've seen people doing across TikTok. They always show up on my For You page, and these live streams are getting thousands of views. Then when I'm on live stream, I'm always just redirecting my live stream viewers to the link in my bio so they can shop with us while we're on live stream. Then they can see their order getting packaged, and you can definitely build a huge community this way. I know in this case, this is not dropshipping friendly since this is for businesses that are shipping their own products, but dropshippers, I will get to you later in this video. So I want you to think of TikTok as your base of where you're going to be creating your content on. Then on from TikTok, you're going to be reposting and resharing your TikToks to many different platforms. I always start off by creating TikToks and then repurposing them to Instagram Reels first. Instagram Reels was created kind of like a competition with TikTok, and sometimes my Instagram Reels do better than my TikToks. I filmed this video 8 months ago for you guys, and even though it's a little old, all of this information is still exactly the same. Instead of making you guys leave this video to go watch this video, I'm just gonna insert one important clip from this video to show you guys how I create my content and how I edit, just so you guys can actually learn this process. So if you already saw this video, you can skip this next part and just proceed on with the rest of this video. So I always wait until the evening time to capture the best lighting possible by natural light. I always try to get on the same level as my products, and I always try to make sure that they are centered. So when I post them on TikTok and Instagram, they will be centered in the frame. I'm going to go into your phone and you're going to download this app. It's called InShot. This app has been literally amazing for me. I edit all of our YouTube videos on this app. I literally edit everything from this app, so it's really awesome, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how we do this. So I click on video and I click new, and I click on the video that I want. So I want to show you guys how we edited our packaging video, because you guys do know that I believe strongly in showing as much behind the scenes as you can. It helps people to trust you, and it also helps people to get excited to order from you. So I'm going to select everything that I saved for this video. There we go. And let me close out of this. And you guys can see I just like kind of recorded a bunch of different videos here. So all my videos I always keep either under 10 seconds or 10 to 15 seconds. I try not to go above that, because I feel like if it's too long, people will just keep swiping. So we want to just keep the retention as long as possible. That's definitely the goal to keep when creating content, especially for TikTok. So basically the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to listen. I actually didn't record any audio with this, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys how we record with my voice and everything. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to just cut this down. So I just kind of like the inside of the box, like right there. And you guys I also just showed you guys earlier in this video, like I always do this with lighting, so you guys see this was golden hour time. So I'm just going to like show the box. Okay, I kind of like that frantic movement. So I'm going to show the box so people are like, what the heck is she doing? All right, so I'm going to cut this down as much as possible, right? Let's see what's next. So then I'm grabbing it and I'm showing the item off the shelf. Because you guys know I have these shelvings back there because I do like to show the products, which I also will show you guys in this video earlier on. Okay, so I'm going to basically just cut this as much as I can. And then right before I start to move it around, I'm going to split it. And then I'm going to click on that clip and click speed, and then I'm going to speed that up. So because we don't want any like extra time of me going like that. Like that's wasting time for the video. Because remember, we're trying to keep this video under 10 seconds or under 15 seconds. So let's see. So there we go. So then so now that I did that, I'm just going to cut this one a little bit. And I always like just watch it as I'm doing it too. Okay, that looks pretty good. And I'm just going to like speed that up just a little bit, just a tint. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm also, so this was a second boba bundle that she ordered. This was a BFF boba, so I'm just showing it. Okay, so I'm just going to stop it right where we left it. There was a lip gloss that she ordered, so I'm just going to cut that randomly, like that's not that serious. And then I'm basically just dragging these arrows together, and that's what's like cutting it and keeping the clip shorter. This app, I promise, is very easy to use. You just need a little practice with it. So then after that, so then they also ordered this new body oil that I just made, because now I am developing beauty products that I'm creating at home. So I just wanted to show, so first I'm going to show like that. I'm going to slit that again, and then I'm going to go down to where the bobas fall. And then I'm just going to let them fall, and then I'm going to cut it again. And I think that looks pretty good. Okay, I kind of like how the bobas fall, so I'm going to delete this in between. You guys see, all I'm doing is I'm basically just like eliminating it as much as I can and only showing like the highlights of this video. So now that that's done, so I'm going to speed that up, because you don't want it like too fast, but you just don't want it to be too slow either. I'm going to speed that up and cut it down a little bit and see where we are. Okay, and then I'm going to go through this. Okay, so I'm just watching it. So I think that looks really good. So I'm going to cut that down again. And they always like crunchy noises too on TikTok, so we're going to leave that crunch. So we're going to just leave that crunch. Usually I mute the videos though. And, okay. So we put that in the backs. Okay, and then let's cut that. And then I also just showed this again, but it kind of looks bad. Okay, I'm just going to show it like that. There we go. Like that. There we go. Okay, so now that the video is done, the second biggest reason why my videos I feel like always go viral is because I use my voice, and I know you guys have a unique voice. Everyone does, and you guys can all use your voices too in your videos, and not only does that make them trust you more, but it makes your videos stand out from other people on TikTok, because a lot of people on TikTok are afraid to use their voice. So don't be afraid, use your voice. You're trying to do this to make money, so just use your voice, don't be afraid. Okay, so, and nobody can see your face anyway, so like, what do you have to lose? Nobody will know it's you saying it if you're embarrassed of your voice. So, okay. So I'm just gonna watch it one more time before I start recording and make sure this looks good. That was a little slow there, so I'm just gonna cut it down. There we go. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good, you guys. Maybe just I'm just gonna speed this one up a little bit. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. So, under 10 seconds. Okay, so it's 11 seconds, so not too bad. I think that's perfect. So now that the video's done, we're gonna record. So how you're gonna record is you're gonna go over and you're gonna find the music button. So you're gonna click the music button on this app. And then if you wanna add your own custom music, you can do that in the tracks button. But for right now, we're gonna click record. And 3, 2. Let's package an order for somebody that loves purple. Let's package an order for somebody that loves purple. So I always do it in slices too, so you can't hear me like breathing or anything. So then I do it like in slices. So hang on. Okay. She ordered 1 purple bubble bundle, 1 BFF bundle, 1 boba popsicle lip gloss. Oh, it was too long, so I'm gonna redo that one. So just click the redo button. 1 popsicle lip gloss and 1 body oil. 1 popsicle lip gloss and 1 body oil. Their skin is gonna glow with this. And 1 body oil. Their skin is gonna glow with this. Let's package it up. And add her free stickers. Can't wait till you get it. Her free stickers. Can't wait. So the end, it kind of got messed up, so I'm just going to extend this a little bit more like that. Or you know what I can also do is like, I'm just going to slow it down a little bit so it fits. Okay. Package it up. I can't wait till you get it. Package it up. Package it up. Package it up. Here's our free stickers. Can't wait till you get this. Wait till you get this. Wait till you get this. It's still kind of cut, so I'm just going to go back. Can't wait till you get this. Perfect. We got it, you guys. Okay, so we're going to hit X. Okay, now let's just watch it one more time to make sure it's good. This is what I always do every time. For somebody that loves purple. She ordered 1 purple bubble bundle, 1 BFF bundle, 1 popsicle lip gloss, and 1 body oil. Their skin is going to glow with this. Let's package it up. Here's our first sticker. Can't wait till you get this. And that is our video. So that took me literally 10 minutes to make, and this video alone, if it goes viral, could make thousands of dollars in one day. So basically, because it's happened many times, so we're gonna click this checkbox now, and we're gonna go up to this and click save. And this app is 100% free, you guys, and it takes like 1 second to save it. So after that, I go into TikTok and I click on the plus button, and I'm gonna click upload, and we're gonna upload this one. And it's kind of quiet, so I'm gonna add a song with this. So I'm gonna click. Sometimes their suggested sounds are so on point. So I'm going to actually try a suggested sound and see how it looks. I think this sound that they suggested is actually perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and use this sound. And it's not too loud, so I don't have to adjust the volume because you guys have to be careful. Sometimes if it's too loud, then they can't hear your voice, and that defeats the purpose of using your voice. So I think it's pretty good. And then what I'm going to do is I always select a cover. So I'll do that one. And then I'm going to put here packaging and order, and I usually will put their names too and like what state they're from, because TikTok actually, like, say you say Texas here, okay, so packaging order for, let's just pretend Betty from Texas. I have to check and see who it's actually for. And if you actually write Texas there, it actually will actually show your video to people from Texas. So if you have a target state audience, this will help for that too. And then I always just use hashtags that fit within my niche. Do not use the small business hashtag, because if you use that, it's only going to show your content to other small businesses. You need to be targeting who your audience is. So if you're selling blenders, for example, fruit blenders, you need to tag like food ASMR, or like you need to tag things that are relevant to the food or health industry. So my next free method of promoting an online business is through using Twitter. Twitter is one of the most classic social media sites, but is still super useful when promoting your online business. So when I was 17 years old, this is back in 2016, this is what I did to promote my online e-commerce dropshipping store. You guys can see even back then I used Big Cartel, and I didn't even bother to get a domain, and people really didn't care that I used this free domain that Big Cartel gives. So these are examples of how I promoted my dropshipping store. You guys can see this had got over 1,000 likes. My posts always did really well on Twitter, and what I was doing was I had multiple different accounts. I was following a lot of people, they would follow me back, and then I would promote my items while retweeting them, which is this button right here on my other profiles. I wanted to see if people were still using Twitter for their online businesses, and they indeed are in 2022. This is actually someone that I found that sells really cute sets, and I saw that she has a personal account and a business account, and she uses her personal account to promote her business account by retweeting, and she's built a whole community around her business as well. She gets thousands of likes on her posts, so no doubt, I think she's doing really amazing while marketing on Twitter. Also, notice that with Twitter, you can put the link in the product description, which I also really love, because then your customers can click directly through that link to go and shop. You don't have to say link in my bio or anything like that. So another way you can market your online store for free is through Facebook. So I personally use Facebook groups, and that's actually how I grew my dog's Facebook account. If you guys are unfamiliar, Facebook actually pays for Reels right now, and Facebook Reels is exactly the same as Instagram Reels, and which is just basically a copy of TikTok. So Facebook Reels is also paying. I have a video about that on my YouTube channel of how to access that bonus if you want to get paid for your Facebook Reels. But I grew my dog's Facebook and my business Facebook by just sharing my business videos and my dog's videos to Facebook groups. There's a lot of creative ways that you can market your business on Facebook, and you can actually even sell your items directly through Facebook Marketplace. I am in a lot of Facebook groups, and I utilize these groups to be able to build my own community through my own account. If these groups do not allow you to sell things in the groups, because typically they don't, what you can do is you can actually just share other things to these groups, and people will wind up following you if those posts go viral within the groups. Just make sure that you find groups that are in your niche. Just like for my dog's account, she's a husky, so I joined in a bunch of husky groups, and I shared her husky niche videos to those groups. I did the same thing in all of these makeup groups for my business. So my next way of marketing your online business for free is using Pinterest. You can actually create a free business account on Pinterest, which allows you to see a lot of cool analytics, so it's definitely worth it. From there, you're then going to repost all of your TikTok videos to Pinterest, and you can do that using idea pins. Just make sure also your shop link is in your Pinterest profile bio. And Pinterest is also photo friendly, so this is also a good way to promote for dropshipping businesses. So how can you market a dropshipping store? So you guys know in my dropshipping tutorial, I always suggest that you order a sample, because if you order a sample, you're then able to take that sample and create original video content. If you do not have money for a sample, or you do not have access to a sample, you can then utilize Pinterest and Twitter, and you can probably find pictures across the internet of the product that you're trying to sell. And you could use those photos on Pinterest or Twitter to promote your dropshipping store that way as well. So if you have any questions for me at all, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I try to respond to all of my comments down below. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram as well at BaddieInBiz for more business inspiration and tips. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. I have more free courses just like this one on my YouTube channel. You guys can click over to those courses now if you guys want to learn even more about online business and ways to make money online. See you guys next time. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.